Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will introduce a new product, TD166. This is the package and it will protect the products well. And this is the package included two chargers, one for the transmitter and one for the charging base. And also 10 pages and one charging base and one transmitter and the antenna. And also a menu. And now let me show you the transmitter. You can see the TD166. The keypad is touchable. It's not machinery. And for this is the screen. And you can see this is the power port, and this is a USB port which you can connect with the keyboard to send messages. It's more convenient to use the keyboard from the computer. So you can type messages directly and the pages will receive. And you can see this is the ports which you can connect with the computer by using this cable and to use the software. And and we can also provide the protocol, so you can program your own software if you have the technical person. And this is the pager. You can see there's a screen, and also this is the key on the pager, which you can turn on and turn off the pager, and also cancel the call after the pager receives the messages. Besides, for this system, it's a long-range system. It can reach about 5 kilometers in an open area, so it's quite long. If you have a large warehouse and also need a long range in a large place, this is the best products you need to use. And also, it's also very good use in office because no matter what number on those pages, they are different, but you can call them by just press one number. You can call all the pages. If you have many staffs and you want them to come at once, even each one has a different number, you can call all of the pages by just one number. And I will show you in other videos. This is also for the other large places. So if you have the request of the long range, this is a good product for you. And that's all for introduction. And I will show you the operation in other videos. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.